Here I have this small interesting device, and today I'm going to show you how to change language on it. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the languages and input, then select language. Here you have the whole list of languages in which you can set your device. Let's select, for example, Ukrainian, and as you can see, the language changed to Ukrainian. So if you want to change it back to English, just go to the налаштування, then to the мова та введення, мова, and select English. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.